What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Project_Baby24, and today's video is on the best exhaust setup for, well, I'm speaking on from a V6 perspective. And you see I'm pulling up my homeboy Corn. Y'all finna meet him. He got the Hemi vid. I'm finna compare my exhaust setup to the Hemi, so y'all can see what I'm saying, for y'all to like a little growl to it, you know. So I'm finna compare the two sounds. So take my word for it, you know, because I've had every exhaust setup possible. And my exhaust setup is the 40 series, dual in, dual out, because these cars come with dual in and single, then dual out with the dummy pipe, you know. So it's really, you got one pipe really. So, but mine's is true dual, so pay attention. Class is in session, baby. Y'all, this my boy Corn, man. You know, man, that's my dog, my blood, man. He finna be helping me out. And he go his Hemi Challenger RT 14 model. It jump nasty. He ran from a lot of police. But anyway, here we go, man. All right, you can go and start it up. Alright, on my car, I got the 40 series Flowmaster. And what you got on your car, Corn?
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe.
Got the cats on there, and it's straight pipe on there, ain't got no mufflers or resonators on it.
Yeah. What y'all should do, man, please keep your cats on, man, because they ain't gonna be stupid loud and you ain't gonna like the sound. But we finna see his setup. So y'all do y'all own comparison, like, but with my setup, that's the closest thing you gonna get to sounding like this. But up top, I know mine sound better than a stock V8 as far as exhaust. But people get mine mixed up with a V8 all the time. But if you want a little growl, man, please cut your resonators out off top, you know, because you robbing yourself of horsepower and some more stuff, man. But that's the end of this video. Signing out, man. Holla at you. Say bye, man.
Holla at y'all.